Need a quick email address that you won't use again? In this video, I'll break down the best temp mail providers you can use right now. Free, fast, and no sign-up needed. Number 1. Tempmail.org. Probably the most popular one out there. Tempmail gives you a random email instantly. Super clean interface, no ads, and it just works. You can copy the address with one click and check your inbox live. Pros: easy to use, mobile app available. Cons: emails auto-delete pretty quickly. Number 2. 10minutemail.com. Exactly what it says, a temporary email that lasts 10 minutes. Timer starts the moment you land on the site. You can extend time if you need, and it's very straightforward. Pros: auto-refresh inbox, extendable. Cons: only one address per session. Number 3. GorillaMail.com. This one's been around forever. Gorilla Mail gives you a permanent temp inbox that stays as long as you keep the tab open. You can even choose your email prefix. Pros: custom address option, lasts longer. Cons: older interface, not very mobile friendly. Number 4. EmailOnDeck.com. Sleek, fast, and minimal. Just click one button and your temp email is ready. Good for crypto sites or anything where you want quick access without the clutter. Pros: simple UI, fast. Cons: you have to go through a CAPTCHA first. Number 5. Maildrop.cc. Maildrop is great if you need a cleaner looking inbox. You can create a custom alias, like yourname@maildrop.cc, and check it anytime. Pros: custom inboxes, no login. Cons: anyone can check the same alias if they guess it. Some quick tips when using temp emails. Don't use them for important stuff. You can't recover access later. Always double check if a site actually sends a confirmation email. Keep the tab open until you get the email. Some services delete mail fast. That's it. The top temporary email providers you can count on in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your favorite temp mail site in the comments.